Hi guys, I am Shaniqua here and I'm back with another video. Today I am reviewing the Louise Base and I'm going to give you an honest raw review on what I feel and whether or not it creases or not, because that's like the biggest thing on the social media craze as to saying that it's the best base on the market. So I'm here to let you know whether it is or it isn't. And I'll be honest, I'll be raw. And like I said, it's not a sponsored video, so you'll get real from me. So stay tuned. All right, so let's get into it. As always, I start off with eyebrows. I definitely didn't think it was a big thing, so I didn't make it the focus. That's why I spread it up a little bit. But if you go back to some of my older videos, I do, slow it down so you can see my eyebrow routine. But I love to use the ABH Dual Eyebrow Kit that comes with the brush that you see here. And you have the other side as well that you use. That's the little spoolie there. Next, I like to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer just to outline my brows to make it more defined. Now, let me tell you my secret. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in about a year, up until recently. However, I do like the thicker look, and my eyebrows tend not to be thick. So that was the reason why I didn't get them done, and I kind of just plucked around the microblading that I got done. However, I love the way my eyebrows come out looking and when I outline them with concealer. My best kept secret to getting my makeup to melt into my skin is my beauty sponge, y'all. I literally love this sponge and I have so many. I like to wash them, reuse them. But like I said, it gets the makeup and the products to just melt right into your skin. As you can see, it's not just sitting on top anymore, but it's like smooth into the skin. So if you haven't figured it out by now, I literally love Juvia's Place. I love their foundation because it is a full coverage foundation and I don't have to do any correcting before putting it on. Of course, like my melanin does have a little bit of discoloration, but with this foundation, it literally is everything. And the brush too. Again, I'm whipping out my beauty blender and I'm gonna buff it all out, make it look real nice and smooth, and have it just melt beautifully into my skin. Are y'all ready for a little contour? I think I am. I like to do just a little bit, not too much to make my face look ashy or white or change my color. Anyway, I just love to do my under eyes, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and underneath where my chin is. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place loose setting powder. Now y'all, I'm trying to tell you something. This setting powder is the absolute truth. This stuff really gets my bags right. You hear me? Sometimes I don't sleep or kids got stuff going on or whatever it is. And my sleep game would be off. But when I put this on, it sets my makeup just right. And it definitely gets it real matte looking underneath my eyes. And it reduces the crease. So that is one of my secrets when I don't sleep. So the most important part is the P. Louise Eyeshadow Base. Now, this is supposed to be the best in the world at this point, right? Or let's just say the best on the market. So I'm reviewing it. This is unsponsored, and I will give you a real raw review on what I feel, because my eyeshadow crease is really bad, just my eyelids in general. So I'll see if this helps to not crease. As you see, I already have a full face on, and I am ready to see this P. Louise base. I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M421 brush. This is a concealer brush. I'm gonna start with a little bit. Oh, it's creamy. Okay, hold on, let me start with a little bit. Going with a little bit more and tap it on, tap, tap, tap. I just want to make sure it'll be enough coverage. Let's see. Okay. All right, all right, all right. After applying this, I let it sit in for a couple minutes just to see how it would react to my skin, if it would like matte down or settle in. And then I did the rest off camera, and honey, you better work. Yes. All right, guys, this is an update on the P. Louise base. It has been 13 hours since I applied it, and I took off my lashes just so that I could get a really good idea of what I'm looking at, and so that I can give you an honest review. Now, if you can look up close, you can see that it does crease. So we can come to the conclusion that it is not crease proof. However, it is still a bomb base. So, like I said, I stand behind my word. I love the fact that it's creamy. I love it that it's thick. I love that it applies very smooth, and it is long lasting. So I didn't notice any creases or anything like that until roughly like 8 hours. Let's say roughly 8 hours And maybe after that, then I maybe started to notice some creasing. However, you have to keep in mind that everybody's skin is very different. I do have oily skin, so that could contribute to it. I will say, like, if you're looking to buy this base, it still is one of the best bases, one of the best products on the market. And I say that with lots and lots of confidence. I think that P. Louise did a great job in making this. I think they put a lot of thought and care into this product. And sis, go on and get it. Okay, I'll be the first one to say, go ahead and get it. The hype is real on Instagram, and it definitely is worth it. So go on ahead and get you some. Oh, and if you love this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I love you.